Great news. 70% lawyers of Portugal are at single point and their opinion is synergistic. And really, this is good news for Portugal immigrants because lawyers are very educated people within any country and they understand their country laws. I am not talking about international lawyers, I am talking about Portugal country lawyers which are dealing with Portugal's law. Regarding nationality law, they made one opinion, and 70% of the lawyers are talking that president should send that bill to Constitution Court, and their opinion is that president will send bill to the Constitution Court. Reason is that because they think this is a complicated law to change nationality, and it's not minor change, it's biggest change. And change mean from 5 years to almost 14 years. Mean that nationality time is not being doubled. It's not true people are talking from 5 to 10 years. Earlier time was from file lock. Now the time will start from TRC, resident card. And then 5 years never mean you will get passport. No, you will not get nationality. You will still to face IRN investigation of almost 2 years. And then resident card taking time. Currently, people are consuming at least 2 years or 1 year. If I will count 2 years plus 5 years plus 2 years, it will become 14 years. So time is going to change from 5 to 14 years through this law. It's not a still law. Please remember, it's nationality bill which is approved by the parliament. But if lawyers are talking about that it should be sent and they are very confident that the president will send this bill to the Constitution Court, it means lawyers have one point in their mind regarding Portugal's law, that little bit this law may be clashing with Portugal's law. So what could be the conclusion? Might be some good news for Portugal migrants. Constitution Court can tell 2-3 points to the parliament. Number one, they can say bill is okay, but if bill is okay, why president will send to Constitution Court? I don't think so, because 70% lawyers are telling it's a huge decision. It's a huge timing increase. It's not 1 or 2 years, it's almost 7 years. More than double time. Therefore, it need to be reassessed or something should be done. And might be Constitution Court say modify that. But things are still in a cage. Things are still hopeful. If migrants are fed up and they are pessimistic and they are very hopeless, no, I think they should not. Things may come in a better direction. Even at final point, I will say, even law change. Now, if the law change, I am telling you very frankly, if the 70% lawyers are talking this law is clashing with Portugal's law, it means if the lawyers of that country is talking that nationality law is not in favor of the Portugal, so in any upcoming government, in any upcoming elections, and maybe courts can also decide, people may go to the court. If 70% lawyers are talking, it means they are almost judges. And their opinion is very useful. You know, legal opinion is the final opinion. And if you are talking about Constitution Court, that is also legal opinion. They are also lawyers and they are representation of Portugal lawyers, and they will have same mind, I think, which the lawyers are talking about. What will happen, we will see. Another option for Portugal president is that straightforward he can refuse. He say, no, this law is not valid. I don't favor. Please, I don't accept this. Even I don't send this at Constitution Court. There are less chances, 30% chances. But I think there are only 5% chance that president will sign. Now, 2 evidences we have in our just 24 hours news. Number one, Portugal president himself spoke at Egypt that I did not sign yet. So this is not the law. Please correct. It means that he has something that nationality bill may not change into law. He has something, or he has decided to reassess from Constitution Court, or he has decided to do something different. But he did not decide, I think, for direct signature of this nationality. This is my opinion, I may be wrong, but I have to predict and I have to develop as an immigration analyst, I have to develop my personal opinion. And another point is that now things are little bit looking better for immigrants after severe dark law for migrants for 14 years nationality, dark bill approval. But in the future, even now, I think even President signed, the things are debatable. Now Portugal at least understand, lawyers understand, something is not better in this law for the migrants, for Portugal. In future, opposition party, courts, judges may awake again and can cancel. Even this nationality law is finally implemented, which still look impossible, I say. Yes, modification of this law may be possible, like family reunion visa, job seeker law bill. Just days back, Constitution Court modified some sentences. They sent back to Parliament, and Parliament then approved. I think that may be the way to resolve this issue. And by this way also, 10 years at least nationality law may not remain. They may reduce number of years. Constitution Court. All things are still under process, but I will keep updating you. But this is very good news that at least lawyers stand up. 70% lawyers are talking that nationality law bill should not be signed directly. It should be reassessed by the Constitution Court by real, genuine, and by balanced way. Mean that immigrants and Portuguese people, right-handers, left-handers, they must be given equal value, and it should be judged, it should be assessed without political nature and without any prejudice, exactly at the justice level, and then it should be decided. Keep watching my channel for the further updates. Thank you.